how to use DocuSign for beginners. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use DocuSign. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit DocuSign.com. At the top left corner, you can see the address. So visit this site. Now you have to enter your email address right here. Enter your email address, then tap on to get started. Also, you can tap on to try for free, and then you can try it for free. Now you have to enter your name. Wait, let me see. Okay, let's tap on to try for free. Now you have to enter your email address, and you will not need any credit card for it. Now check this icon, tap on to get started. So after clicking on to get started, wait until it loads completely. Wait. Now it's the perfect email address. Now let's go. Choose your country. For example, you can choose your country right from here, and then you can tap on to get started, and it will start logging you in. Okay. Wait, let me choose the country right from here. So now let's try it. Also, you can just enter your email address right here. You can also log in from here. So just log into DocuSign, and after logging in, you will see this site right here. The environment will be like this. Then here you can see this sign or get signatures. You have to tap on to start, and from there you can choose your preferred sign in or signature sign, you can say. Just scroll down and choose a signature sign like the font here. You can choose them, and after clicking onto a font, you can just choose that font to use onto your DocuSign. Also, you can create your own signature by drawing it. You can draw a signature if you wish to, then you have to tap on to create. So after clicking on to create, you can check out your DocuSign inbox. You can send also envelopes. You can send an envelope, as you can see right here, and you can just check it out. So this is how you can use DocuSign very easily. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye.